Hey everyone, welcome to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. I'm excited to share with you today's recipe, which is my pumpkin cheesecake bars. These are a must-have for every Thanksgiving and it's every pumpkin lover's dream. And it's so easy to make and it tastes so delicious. So let's get started. For the crust, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice or cinnamon. For the cheesecake filling, you're going to need 16 ounces of cream cheese that's softened, 2/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs that's room temperature, 1/4 cup of sour cream that's room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of pumpkin puree, and ½ teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice or cinnamon. Let's start by making the crust. So in a bowl of graham cracker crumbs, add in the melted butter, brown sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. Mix this till everything is well combined. Add this mixture into an 8x8 inch square pan that is lined with parchment paper. Use a flat surface kitchen tool to press the crumbs to the bottom of the pan. Refrigerate the crust while making the cheesecake filling. So in a bowl of softened cream cheese, add in the sugar and by using a hand mixer, beat on medium speed till creamy. Add in the eggs one at a time and beat till just combined. Make sure to not overbeat the batter once you add the eggs. This will help to prevent cracks on the cheesecake. Next, add in the sour cream and the vanilla extract and beat till just combined. Pour half of the cheesecake batter over the prepared crust and make sure to spread it out evenly. Now set this aside. To the other half of the cheesecake batter, add in the pumpkin puree and the pumpkin pie spice and beat till just combined. Also, make sure to scrape down the bowl. Pour the pumpkin cheesecake batter over the vanilla cheesecake batter and spread it out evenly. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes on the middle rack. Make sure to let it cool for 2 hours and then refrigerate for at least 4 to 8 hours or overnight before serving. This cheesecake is a crowd-pleasing holiday dessert. It's rich and creamy and it's loaded with pumpkin flavor. Here's a few tips to prevent cracks on the cheesecake. Make sure that all of the ingredients are room temperature. Make sure not to overbeat the batter once the eggs are added. And bake on the middle rack in the oven. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!